All right, gang. A good hobby knife set around the house, in my opinion, is a must-have. If you do little hobbies like I do, we bounce around from hobby to hobby, but if you're needing to carve some balsa wood for a plane, or if you do paper crafts, or if you do any kind of hobby design type stuff that uses the Exacto knife style knives, you know how incredible these are. And if you don't, pick one of these up, and I'm telling you, you're going to be shocked about how often you find uses for these little hobby knives. But they're not all made the same. In fact, the traditional Exacto knife brand just honestly drives me crazy. I have so many issues with them. The blades themselves, I don't love the quality of the blades. And I just kind of hate the traditional Exacto knife handle, which looks like this. And that's where this MulWark one came in. Stumbled onto it, picked it up, and have absolutely love it. So what this is it's a much larger hobby knife set that includes, yes, the Exacto traditional stainless steel style handle, but also this much better, in my opinion, handle for those of us who need something a little bit more sizable because of the size of our hands to work with. And that's where this comes in, and it's really, really awesome. Makes it super simple to switch out blades. It's just this one screw design that keeps tension on them. And so taking them out and installing them is super easy. That's all it takes right there. It's good, it's nice, it's secure. I do love the quality of these blades. They are super sharp. I just grabbed just this little piece of cardboard just so that you can see it, like straight through it. No issues whatsoever. It also comes with a variety of blades. And so you got your traditional number 11 blades, these straight edge blades, but they also have the, I think they're number 10 blades, the rounded blades in here. And they actually have some chisel style blades as well if you're carving out chunks of wood and things. So that those are always there. On top of that, they included a sharpening stone. So as you're going and as you're using some of these, if you need to squeeze a little bit of more life out of the blade, you can quickly run them over the sharpening stone to sharpen them a little bit. And my favorite, this little tweezer that is angled on the edge, different than like your traditional household tweezers, to make it really easy to hold these stinking blades to while you're trying to install them in the different handles. All of this, including this traditional Exacto handle, is included in their little set that you can quickly and easily securely close up, throw in a drawer, so that you are good to go whenever you need it. So listen, if you're trying to pick up a new hobby knife set for yourself at your house, looking for something that's better, maybe for someone with a little bit larger hands, maybe that's a little higher quality than your traditional Exacto stuff that you can pick up at the store, check this out. It's by MulWark. I have loved it, and I think you will too.